Abby.
And I'm Shanna, and we are
27 Travels.
And today we're going to be doing a video on our favorite Curacao beaches that we think most tourists don't know about.
So my family's from Curacao, and we've been coming to Curacao forever. Shanna's been here the last 3 years, and we've had a really good chance to check out all the beaches that Curacao has to offer. So right now we're at Casa Bow. There are actually over 20 beaches in Curacao, so it's definitely difficult to only pick a top 5.
This beach is near the middle of the island, which makes it easy to get to from Willemstad. Willemstad is the downtown area where most of the hotels and restaurants are located.
We love Casa Bow for the soft white sand and all the colorful fish you can see while snorkeling. You pay per car to enter, which is about $3 US. If you want a beach chair, you can also get one for around $2 US more.
Casa Bow has some of the clearest water out of all of the beaches in Curacao, which makes it perfect for snorkeling, diving, swimming, or just getting that epic Instagram shot. Okay, so another one of our favorite beaches on the island is Port Marie, and it's one that Gabby's family loves coming to. They have a lot of chairs, they have lots of snorkeling, lots of fish, they have a really good restaurant, and this is a pretty popular tourist beach, but it is one of our favorite spots, so we had to add it to the list.
We tend to not like touristy spots, but Port Marie is our exception. It's popular because it's also closer to Willemstad, and they have one of the nicer beach facilities.
It is a little pricier though. Here you pay about $3 per person to enter, plus an additional $3 if you want a beach chair.
Port Marie is the perfect beach to spend the day at because there's just so much to see, from the views to the ocean life to even the pigs that roam around the property. We didn't see them this year though. For a relaxing beach experience, you'll want to have Port Marie on your list.
We are at Canet right now. It's another one of our top 5 favorite beaches that we think most tourists don't know about. White sand, the water is super clear, and is way less people than a lot of the other beaches. Canet literally means small Canet, and there's another beach here, like maybe a few miles away, called Canet, which means big Canet, and that beach is super crowded all the time.
One of the most popular beaches on the island.
Yeah, it's really beautiful and definitely worth the hype, but this beach is just a little bit smaller, a little bit less crowded, and more of the kind of relaxing beach style that we like to go for. Canet is located pretty much as far north as you can go on the island, which really isn't that far since the whole island is only 40 miles long. You'll need a car to get up here, and the road can be pretty bumpy, but this beach is definitely worth the trip.
Canet probably has the clearest water in all of Curacao. You can see your feet under the water even when you're out super deep.
This beach also has white sand and gorgeous rocks surrounding the water. There aren't as many fish here, but this beach doesn't need them to draw you in. Canet is beautiful all on its own.
So right now we're at Playa Jeremy.
It's not too touristy, it's more of like a local beach. There's no like beach chairs or anything. Like it's just everyone just like kind of brings their own towels and is just like sitting around. The water's really nice. There's lots of pebbles and shells and stuff. And the water's super clear, so that's why it's one of our favorite beaches. It's up almost all the way up north in the island in Bondabo. There's a lot of beaches over here in this area of the island, but this one's one of our favorites for sure. We love Jeremy for so many reasons. 1, most tourists don't know about it, and 2, it's completely free. Just bring some snacks, goggles, and a towel, and you're all set.
Our favorite thing to do at Jeremy is to go pebble hunting. The beachfront is pebbles and shells, not sand, which makes it perfect for finding amazing seashells.
Jeremy is a hidden gem, and there's something so quaint and charming about it that keeps us coming back. If you like quiet, local vibes, this is the beach for you. So
So today we're at a different beach that both of us have never been to before called Tugboat Beach. And it's a beach in the Caracas Bay area of Curacao, and there's a sunken tugboat here. And they're also like really good to the animals here. Like there's a bunch of cats and iguanas around, they've been feeding them. They're also planting coral trees here to put some coral back into the ocean, which is like super, super awesome. So this is like one of our favorite beaches, and we've only been here like today.
We can't believe we only discovered Tugboat this year. We are now definitely obsessed. This beach has everything. What makes Tugboat rank #1 on our list is the atmosphere. Everyone is warm and welcoming, and they really care about preserving the ocean. Tugboat is located near the southern part of the island. This is the beach for snorkeling and diving. Not only is the sunken tugboat cool to see, but this beach has the most fish we've ever seen in one place. The beach is filled with nautical antiques, giving it a chill retro vibe. We could not recommend this beach enough. It's more than worth your time.